Welcome to FixItForgetIt.com, where projects and ideas come together.
Hi, this is John from FixItForgetIt.com. This is my Cub Cadet Z-Force S. It's a 48-inch mowing deck. I just changed the blades on this. The first time I changed the blades, I took that deck off. Decided I never wanted to do that again. This is a fabricated deck and it's really heavy. So I came up with an easier way of doing this job. I just take a hydraulic jack, raise the front of it. You only need to come up just a few inches. I then take a 1 1/8 inch open end wrench, and the top of this pulley has a hex head on it right down under this pulley guard. I slide that open end wrench on there. I just use a little piece of 2x4 to prop it up so it doesn't drop off. Then I take a 1 1/8 inch socket on a 1/2 inch drive. This is a 24-inch long breaker bar. And I just pop it on that nut. Give it a nice hard pull, and that will break that nut loose. See if I can get down here so you can see a little better. So it goes on there nicely. There's plenty of room to get it up in there. And that center blade pulley also has a hex head on there. And so you just hook that open end wrench on the hex head on the top of that pulley, and you know it will wedge against something nearby to keep it from moving, and then you can get that center blade off as well. And then of course you just continue on over, grab the hex head on this other outside pulley, and you are good to go. When I am loosening the nut, I have the wrench over on this side, and what will happen is this wrench will come over and hit against this little finger right there, and that stops it from moving. When I tighten it, I just lay the top of the wrench right on top of this pulley, and it will hit the little finger on this side. That stops the wrench from moving, so you can really tighten it down nicely. So to do this job, all you need is a 1 1/8 inch open end wrench. This is boxed on one side, and a 1 1/8 inch socket, and a 24-inch 1/2 inch drive breaker bar, and it makes this job so much easier. So this is John from FixItForgetIt.com. I appreciate you stopping by. I will have some affiliate links down in the description, and it'll take you right to some of the products I use to do this job. Thanks again. Appreciate you stopping by.